Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. This is Dr. Tayyab Qazi and today we are discussing about what is freelancing. Freelancing is a form of employment, it's self-employment where individuals offer their skills, services or expertise to the businesses on a project-to-project basis. Freelancers are not bound to do long-term contract with a single employer, but instead work independently, often work from their own location. Let us discuss some key aspects of the freelancer. The foremost and the most important is the independence. Freelancers are essentially self-employed individuals. They have the autonomy to decide which project they want to work, which client they will work, and what kind of money they will charge. They are not tied to a single employer or organization, allowing them diversity for their work and experience in different industries. The next point is variety. Freelancers often work on a wide range of projects. For example, a freelancer might work on article, blog post, marketing material, and even ebooks for various clients if he is working in the content writing too. If, for example, if he is working in the web development field, he might be working with the restaurant industry, he might be working in the construction industry, he might be working in the plastic furniture manufacturing industry simultaneously. So he will be learning the dynamics of multiple industries at a time. This variety can lead to skill enhancement and personal growth as freelancers adapt to different tasks and industries. The next one is the flexibility. Flexibility is the main hallmark of freelancing. Freelancers have control over their work hours, make it easier to accommodate their personal commitments or adapt to the changes in their lives. This flexibility is especially appealing for the parents, students, or individuals with a unique schedule who have multiple commitments at the same time. Another key aspect of freelancing is remote work. Many freelancers work remotely, often from home or co-working spaces. This eliminates the need for commuting and allowing freelancers to collaborate with clients worldwide. Remote work also provides access to a global client base, expanding opportunities in the whole world. Payments. Freelancers typically charge clients based on various models per project, pricing, per hour, pricing, or retailers agreement. Rates can vary significantly based on the freelancer's expertise, the complexity of the project, and the nature of the market or the demand of the market. The next point is client acquisition, which is the most important point in the freelancing business. While doing all the commitments with the clients, developing their projects, creating the content, you have to work in the client acquisition market as well. In the client acquisition, freelancers are responsible for finding and acquiring clients. This involves marketing their services, networking, and building a strong online presence simultaneously along with their services delivered to the clients. Freelancers may use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Urdu, Freelancers, or any other project to connect with potential clients globally. Next point is portfolio building, which is the key point in freelancing. More beautiful, more strong, more healthy, more appealing portfolio you have, more the business activity we get. Here we go To attract clients, freelancers often create portfolios showcasing their previous work and what they have done and the clients and projects the freelancers have worked. These portfolios demonstrate their skills and expertise. Portfolios are essential for building credibility and trust with the potential clients. Now, in the end, let me discuss common freelancing professions. Freelancers can be found in various fields. Some common freelancing professions include writing content. Here, the freelancer create content, copywriting, journalism, articles, blogs. The next is design. Graphic designer might be working on the graphic designing, web designing, illustration, development. This domain, freelancer might be working in web development, app development, software development. Digital marketing domain. Here, the freelancer might be working in search engine optimization, social media management, social media marketing, email marketing, business development. Next point is consulting. Here, freelancer might be working in business consulting, career coaching, financial consulting, economic consulting, photography and videography. Freelancer might be working in the event photography, video production, photo editing. At the end of this video, I would like to tell you that freelancing offers individuals the opportunity to work independently, gain diverse experiences, and have control over their own career. It's a flexible and viable option for those seeking work-life balance and the ability to pursue their passion while earning a living. However, freelancing also comes with the responsibility of managing one's business, including acquisition and financial management. This was all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.